Latest on the transfer news, amathimba amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Indaba ehamba phambili ke bafethu, iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje iannouncile the new signing okubani na okuThabo Molisane. Remember uThabo Molisane recently umjida ushiyile kwiSteelers akayirenewanga icontract yakhe with iSteelers, uzojoina ini na uzojoina iKaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs ke bafethu recently isathanda kudedela umdlali wayo imdayisa le eEurope okubani na Eden McCarthy. So they've swooped in and signed a new replacement ka Eden McCarthy okuThabo Molisane, who's a very good center back who is playing for iBafana Bafana futhi. So umjida une experience right kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs. So big ups to iKaizer Chiefs for getting le signing le. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, the newly promoted Motsepe Foundation team iHope FC ekabani na ekaBuchanan isisayine umdlalo bedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns TDC team okubani na uKesulin Stevens ke bafethu umjida uzodlalela iHope FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa uGawugelo Sekhoda umjida currently uyi-free agent. Remember ke he joined iSwelele FC ngoJanuary, kuleli windi lela ngoJanuary umjida ujoine iSwelele, but ke currently looks like iSwelele asiyisayinanga icontract yakhe ukuthi ke bayirenew. Remember I spoke about uyena umjida ngosikhathi ke kuyiwindi la ngoJanuary, ngasho ukuthi ke uzojoina on a short term. Yabo uzojoina on a short term if he impresses abaphathi, ngenzeka khuphule icontract yakhe, but ke if enga impress bazomdedela umjida naku ke icontract yakhe ingasarenewa shuthi ke bazomdedela. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje bafethu kuthiwa ke idefender okubani na okuLenon Mathebula uzojoina iTS Galaxy, ujoina nje from iGomora United. Let's hope ke iTS Galaxy bafethu izokwazi ke ikhiqize elinye italent, because siyayazi iTS Galaxy iyakwazi ke i-develop abadlali aba right. Naye ke center back bafethu okuMathebula, let's hope uzofika umjida shine uyona iTS Galaxy. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile umdlalo waseLosotho okubani na okuNeo Mokhachane umjida usesayine with iSwelele FC, umjida ubedlalela iJwaneng Galaxy. So currently umjida ke usezodlalela kwiBetway Premiership walele. So kwezinye izindaba eziphumile amaZulu FC have secured i-signing yabani na yaGape Muralo, umjida ube free agent after idedelwe iSwelele FC. So amaZulu ke ehambile ke ayolanda i-midfielder engena team. Yabo lo mjida lo, he's a good player. I don't know what is going on with the career yakhe, but lo mjida lo ngokwami mina he's a good player. I don't know what is going on with iSwelele. Mhlambe ke umjida akafunanga ukurenew icontract yakhe with iSwelele, noma ke iSwelele vele samchitha nje, but ke amaZulu it's a good side, and amaZulu right now they are on a transition. Bafuna ukuthi ke balande abadlali aba right kakhulu ukuze ke uAtazwane akwazi ke ayisize le team le amaZulu. AmaZulu afuna ukuyocompete next season. Engabo Gape Muralo uzokwazi ke ayisize team singiyesazi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje ihamba phambili kuthiwa ke Orlando Pirates, umdlali Orlando Pirates okuKabelo Dlamini umjida kungenzeka ayishiye Orlando Pirates kuleli windi esikulona. Why ngisho njalo na? Remember I spoke about Faze Abrahams. Faze Abrahams is a talented winger odlalela iSteelers, but ke Orlando Pirates iyamdinga lo umdlali lo. Njoba nje imdinga lo umdlali iSteelers ngeke semdedele kalula uFaze Abrahams, bafdinga a player from Orlando Pirates okubani na okuKabelo Dlamini. Kabelo Dlamini could be part of the deal ka Faze Abrahams. Maseke bafaka no goalkeeper wakuphi na, no goalkeeper wase New Zealand okuDublin Boom ke bafethu umjida uzobe i-backup goalkeeper Orlando Pirates. Ngingengazi noma mhlambe ke uMthelezi naye kungenzeka ahambe ayojoina iSteelers. Yabo maybe uButhelezi angaba part of the deal, because once ubheke uButhelezi kuOrlando Pirates akajwayele vele ukuyithola igame time eningi, noma mhlawumbe ngenzeka ukuba uZulu singiyesazi i10 Visages another goalkeeper odlalela Orlando Pirates ungayithola igame time. So Orlando Pirates they can do anything ukuthi ke bayithole ideal kabani na ka Faze Abrahams. Ngabe imali, ngaba badlali bakhona abadlali, there are lots of players they can trade in. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu Orlando Pirates have started negotiating with the Cape Town City for a potential signing okuba now Emil Witsboy. Currently these are just developing stories. Story sakhe umjida it is still developing, because currently there is a big France team. There's a big team in France efuna banina efuna uRelebohile Mfugeng. So njwake uRelebohile efuna amathima amakhulu aleko France. Orlando Pirates they are looking for a replacement ka akhe ubanina ulumjida lo Mfugeng. So Emil Witsboy, he's been on the radar Orlando Pirates for a long time. Njoba nje umjida ekwi-Red Orlando Pirates akhona amanye ama-teams akhona la kwi-Betway Premiership okuba nako Mamelodi Sundowns nayo i-Sundowns liyafuna ukumsayina lo Mjida lo. So Orlando Pirates izowenza noma yini ukuthi ke bamreplace ubani na uMfokeng. So Emilut's boy looks like uMjida kungenzeka ayijoin Orlando Pirates if izinto zihamba kahle ngempela, if Orlando Pirates ikhipha le mali le edingwa iCape Town City, because iCape Town City siyayazi i-team edayisayo, akusiyona i-team evele idedele nje kalula kanjalo. They need imali yangempela because bafuna ukusuka nabo lezansi. Njengoba befuna nje ukusuka ezansi, they need quality players and they need imali yangempela ukuthi ke babathenge lowo badlali and basustain labadlali abakhona currently abadlala ku-NFD ababalandele ko PSL, abadlali abanjengo Zashmovic, oNgcobo, oKikentoli. There are a lot of quality players in that Cape Town City side, yabo. So they need to sustain those players. So selling their top player kuba now ku-Emilut's boy to a club like Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns bazodinga imali yangempela. So ngingazi wangitshela ama comments, do you think Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuthi ke iwine le signing kabani na ka Emilut's boy? For me, I think it is a good thing with Orlando Pirates. They are approaching the Cape Town City. It has been a while since we saw a rising star yabo kwi-Betway Premiership. uMfokeng bafethu, I don't think ukhona omunye umdlali osewaqhamuka emuva kwaMfokeng ukuthi ke ashine njengomfokeng kanje. Bakhona abanye abadlali but ke abafiki kwi-level yakhe uMfokeng. And when I watch this boy is very very good. He's very very talented. He needs a platform, he needs a team azokwazi ke ashine kuyona, i-team ezokwazi ke imlekelele, and a team like Orlando Pirates izomnikeza konke akudingayo uMjida. So uMjida, let's hope i-team ne-management yakhe bazokwazi ke bahlangane, Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukuthi imthathe noma ke athathwe yona i-Sundowns. Wangitshela ama comments, which team do you think uMjida uzoshana kuyona kakhulu? Do you think i-Sundowns imsayina izomnikeza game time? Because we know with Sundowns many youngsters don't usually get game time, but if you look at the Orlando Pirates they usually utilize each and every youngster ekhona ukuthi ke ithole game time isize team iwine icoco. Kwesinye izindaba eziphumela bafethu bafana khushulwe ama-cards bafethu. Themba Zwane uMjida usezo serve 3 match ban ngalesehlakalo lesasenza asha umdlali ngempama. So usezohlala nje ama-games amathathu kuma-stands. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ama-Tuks they are looking to sign the former Mamelodi Sundowns Michael Loftsman set piece coach uMjida bazomsayina as their new head coach. Ongenzeka kube ke indaba ezimnandi for ama-Tuks, because remember ama-Tuks ne-Sundowns banobudlalwane obuningi kakhulu yabo. I-pipeline yama-players mostly aqhuma kwi-DDC aya kuyona ama-Tuks. Bafike lawo badlalisi babaneze game time base bebabuyisela kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns. Lapho ke iSundowns sibadayisa khona komanye ama-teams. So uyena lo Mjida lo uzokwazi ke asebenzisane nabadlali abaningi abaqhamuka kwi-Sundowns, i-DDC ye-Sundowns kuwona ama-Tuks. So this is a good business idea eqhamuka nalena nama